today, while in Adelaide, we thought we would tour the R.M. Williams factory. Now, only really the boots are made in Australia now. And Tom and I, being sort of country people, R.M. Williams has always been like our go-to dress boot, right? We both got gifted parents boots from our parents. I rode in mine like every day for 15 years. Tom had his good dress boots for probably the same amount of time. But but it's something you see a lot more city people wearing now than country people. But it's kind of a nostalgic thing for us, I guess, being that like they were a very special gift you received from your parents, probably when your foot stopped growing so quickly. For us, they become your going out, your good shoes, or for me, my good riding boots. So it was $60 per person, and we went to tour the boot making factory at Salisbury, I think the suburb's called, in Adelaide. It was very, very interesting. Like, there is 88 sets of hands that touch every single boot. There's 88 hand done processes in making a pair of R.M. Williams boots. And we got to watch every stage, from like picking the leathers and cutting them, and little things to think of, like I didn't imagine that when they cut leather for the boots, like they cut them from the same piece of leather so that the grain and stuff is matched, and those two pieces that they cut right from the start are married together, and they stay together the whole 88 processes, so it's all these little details that go into making such a high quality boot. And it was just all the things, like to watch the ladies like sewing the elastics in, and the guys shaping their soles. Like, one slip and $1,000 pair of boots is just rubbish, and they're just like the skill set involved and the quality control practices. It was really amazing. And this is not a paid advert by R.M. Williams, but we really, really enjoyed the tour. It was really in depth. The guy who took us round has been working for R.M. Williams for 40 years, so he had all the knowledge. And we found it like $60 each is up there on the end of like price for that sort of an activity, but we found it worth it. And then at the end we got like keychains and stuff, a little stamped workshop tour keychains, and 10% off for the store, and a few other things as well. But if you're an R.M. Williams fan and you're really into like the how things are made, like that ticks for both Tom and I. We both love to know like how the hows and whys of things. It was a really informative tour. It went for like nearly 2 hours, and we got to see all the processes. Like I said, from picking the leather to burnishing to quality control, and it's also still hands-on and handcrafted, and that's where the value comes from. But it was a really good tour, so I would suggest doing it. We had a great time.